Welcome to Val's Sweet Kitchen. This is the easiest chocolate cake you'll ever bake. It's all done in one bowl. So, preheat your oven to 350 degrees, hit that easy button, and let's go have some fun. First, prepare your pans. I always use the parchment paper. Spray them and set those aside. Take 2 ounces of melted chocolate, or 58 grams. Zap it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Give it a little stir and zap it again for 30 more seconds. Careful not to zap it for too long or your chocolate will freeze up. And then melt 2 tablespoons of butter in with your chocolate. Mix those together and set them aside. Then take 1.5 cups of regular all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And here's where we add a little bit more pizzazz to our chocolate cake. We're gonna sift in one more time to our dry ingredients, 1 teaspoon of espresso powder to enhance the chocolate. That's it, you're not gonna taste any espresso. And 1 teaspoon of cardamon. It's my favorite after cinnamon. And then you take 1 cup of buttermilk. And if you don't have buttermilk on hand, you can make your own at home. Take 1 cup of whole milk. I like whole milk. And 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And you now have buttermilk. Or it's going to do the same job as buttermilk. And to this, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The vanilla extract is going to enhance the chocolate. And now we mix it all together in a large bowl. Put your heated and cooled chocolate, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 egg. And whisk those together. And alternate in between the dry and the wet. I'm going to start with the wet to loosen up the batter. Mix it all together, but be careful, don't over mix it, because then gluten will start to form and we don't want that to happen. Gluten's for bread. And then we just pour it into our pans. I use cake strips. And what these are is just fabric, and you soak them in cold water. And what that's going to do, it's going to slow down the baking process on the outside, so a dome won't form. Some people can tinker with the oven temperature and all that, but these just solve the problem. Flat tops every time. There we go. Perfect. And bake these at 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. And let it cool in the pan for about 10 to 15 minutes, and it'll start to pull away from the sides. So you can flip it right out. Perfect. Look at that. Oh my gosh, perfect. I hope you had fun today. If you did, subscribe to my channel, give it a like, hit the bell for notifications, or stick around because we've got some special frosting I'm going to put on this, and we're really going to doll it up.